Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. 7 Deadly Sins Origin, not out yet globally until the 23rd of March, but today let's talk about unlocking skills. Now, the first thing you have to remember is that every character in the game comes with a set of unique skills and abilities tied to their weapons they equip, and mastering these is essential to survive tough fights. And as you level up your characters and progress through the main quests and side content, you'll naturally unlock their basic skills. This happens simply by progressing the story and powering up your character stats through leveling, upgrading gear, or completing missions. Now, each weapon type your character equips can give them access to different skill animations and effects. And as you unlock more weapons via progression, you'll also unlock those weapon skills. On top of that, characters also have what's often called their potential or mastery. This is like growth tree where you invest materials or duplicates to unlock higher tier enhancements for their skills. Now, this system lets you expand how strong a skill is or get new effects that only appear once you've unlocked enough potential tiers. Combos and advanced rotations in combat depend on using these skills in the right order to build up things like tag points and burst cages before you unleash your ultimates. So the bottom line is you don't unlock skills with a single button or menu, but through continuous progression. So level up your characters, equip new weapons to unlock their associated skills, and invest in their growth to make those skills more powerful and versatile in combat. And that's about it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!